Hi friends, welcome to the channel of ExcelWorld by Raghav. I request you to please take a moment to like, subscribe, share and finally leave a valuable comment with your thoughts. All your questions will be answered sooner. Before starting the tutorial, I am thankful for encouraging me in making more videos. In today's tutorial, we will learn about concatenate, when to apply, how to apply its uses. Let's jump into the topic. What is concatenate? Concatenate means joining of two or more text and number cases in order to get them in one single cell so as to make it a valid combination. Example, when we are kids, we learn the alphabets, then words, then making sentences and paragraph. The same way concatenate works. Let's see how it works. First select a blank cell where you want the intended output. Here, for a easy understanding and for time saving, I have pre-filled the data in column C, D and F. So I would like to get A, B, C, D in one single cell. So I will go to the formulate tab, then again onto the insert function. I will go here on concatenate and then I'll click OK. When we click OK, a small dialog box opens, asking for the range. So select the desired cell, that is the first one, then again the B, then again the C, and then the last one here is D. Once we key in the desired cells, then click on OK. The output here is ABCD, that is ABCD, which are in different cells. Now it came in one single cell. This is the first method. We just saw the first method. Let's see the other method, that is directly by using is equals to concatenate, press tab, give the cell, press shift and ampersand, that is on the number 7. Then again select the next cell and again press shift and ampersand. Then again onto the next cell, again same shift and ampersand, and lastly the final cell, and then close the brace, then simply press enter. This is the other way. Hope you have liked my video.